afternoon to all of you. Today my topic is national functional approach. National functional approach is a speech at theory. It categorizes social purpose with giving a setting. It is on a national functional syllabus is a way of organize to a language learning curriculum and rather than method or approach to teaching. It is a national functional syllabus instruction is not organized a grammatical structure, but it done with audio linguistic method. Two terms of notion and function. Notion is a perfect context which people is communicate and function is a specific purpose for the speaker giving context. Notion is a meaning of element. It express with a noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, conjunction, preposition. And also notion is a concept and or an idea. It is a specific same as a vocabulary like a dog, house, and it is etc. It may be general. For example, time, size, emotion. Notion is a time past. It include past tense. Past example for a month ago. Example for some places include like month ago, in 1990, last week, and also include some temporary clause beginning with when, before, and after. Function is a communicative act. It use of language to achieve purpose. For example, making request, making offer, apologizing, inviting, and promising. Inviting also use some phrases like would you like to, about, please. The functional national approach from theory to practice has placed the function category under 5 headings. Personal, interpersonal, directive, referential, and imaginative. First, personal. Personal is clarifying and arranging one's idea and express some feeling and thought. Example for hate, love, fear, like, dislike, happiness, joy, and the thought of hungry, cold, etc. International is evaluating us to establish maintaining desire or social and working relationship. Example for greeting and taking leave, introducing a person to other, offering food and drinks, sharing wishes, hope, problem, and etc. And directive, attempting to action of others and accepting of refusing of direction. Example for making request and making suggestion, persuading someone to change his point of view, and giving and responding to instruction. And then referential, taking or report in action, event, action or thought and person in environment, in past and in future. Example for identifying item or person in a school, in a home, in a society, and in a community. And summarizing in translation. And also evaluating result. And last, imaginative. imaginative, involving some influence of others or creative or artistic experience. Example for discussion of poem, a play, a film, a television serial, and creative rhyme, poetry, and story, and also solve a problem and mystery.